what it is.
Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today, I'm super excited about my pour today because I'm doing a collaboration with Dovey Gibson with Abstract and Flow. She does some amazing pearl pours. I mean, she does other pours as well, but I love her pearl pours. They're absolutely amazing, and she's so fun to watch. So I'll put her information in the description below, so please everybody go and check out her channel. Her video will be coming up right after mine. We're doing 3 do's and 3 don'ts. So she gave me to do, I do have to do a swipe. Has to be on a dark base, but it cannot be black. And I have to use 1 metallic, and I have to use green, 1 green. And then those were the do's: dark base, 1 metallic, and a green. The 3 don'ts are: I cannot use black for the base, and I cannot use 24 karat gold. I'm like, what? That's what I said to her. But I'll be fine. And I can, with my swipe, I can only swipe 1 time in an area, which that's going to be my struggle. But I'm sure, hopefully, I'll get it figured out here. I'm super excited about it. And like I said, her video will be coming right after mine, her premiere. So please, everybody go and check it out. I will put her link in the description, so that way you can just go and click on it. It'll take you right to her channel. But yes, I'm so excited. So let's get to this. So for my base, I am going to use SoHo's Paynes Gray. And then my green is also my metallic, which is Decoart's Metallic Emerald. Such a beautiful color. I don't know if you can see this because I forgot to turn my lights on. And then the other colors I'm going to use are, my container's broke here, SoHo's Rose Madder, and then Creative Inspirations Ultramarine Blue. I really wish I could use 24 karat gold, but I can't. That would make this so beautiful, but I gotta follow the rules. So she's challenging me. That's I'm sure that if y'all follow my channel, you know that 24 karat gold is one of my favorite colors to use. I've done pours without it, so I'll be just fine. So anyway, and then I'm using my Paynes Gray here for my base. I'm just kind of spreading it out here. I love Paynes Gray. It's such a cool color. Like, this one has quite a bit of the blue tint to it as when it's wet, but when it's dry, it dries pretty dark. So it's probably the closest thing you can get to black. Hopefully that's not cheating. But I've used this as a base before, and it turns out really pretty. So yeah, so we'll be just fine. And I'm not really sure what to do as far as my swipe technique goes, because since I can only swipe in one area at a time, or one area just one time, I thought about doing like like a flowered kind of thing or something like that. But then, like, when I've done them before, like, I always wanted to go back through with a smaller paper towel or tool or whatever you use to swipe with. And I can't do that. So I decided that I'm just going to, I don't know, just put some color down and then just swipe that way maybe, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll turn out just fine. Yeah, because the whole swiping in only once in an area, that's what's getting me here. And so she's challenging me. This was the biggest challenge for me on this part. Even though I joke around about the 24 karat gold, I know I can do it. I've done it. I've done plenty without it, so I'll be just fine with that. But it's the swiping and all right. So I think I'm done with the swiping. Now we're just gonna have a little fun here. Since I can't swipe anymore, I thought I would just do a little fun. It's pretty fun, definitely different. I got some nice little cells in that metallic emerald. Such a pretty green. The blue is beautiful. The rose madder is so pretty on here. I love these. I can't wait to see this when it's dry. It has so much shimmer from that emerald there. But I think that I'm good here. So now, looks like I got it down to the canvas there, and I don't want that. Have bare canvas. All right, I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Sorry about that. It's Pink. Come say hi to everybody. Huh? Oh, she's gone. Just look at how pretty that is. It's It's going to have so much shimmer on that. Those cells are beautiful. Love it. Look at those. Those are so pretty with the different colors there. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate everybody watching. Hopefully you will go and check out Dovita's. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description below. It'll take you right to her channel, so you can see the 3 do's and don'ts that I gave her. And yeah, appreciate everybody watching. But hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID, and y'all have a good day. I know this is going to be 4th of July weekend coming up. Today's the 2nd, and hope everybody is going to have a good time now that everybody can go and be with their family for the 4th of July. It's finally, COVID restrictions are pretty much dropped around here anyway. I think most of the U.S., I'm not 100% positive, but hopefully everywhere else as well. If you celebrate the 4th of July, happy 4th. And yeah, please go check out Dovita's 3 do's and 3 don'ts. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep being creative. Bye. All right, everybody, here's a close-up. And just look at that shimmer. Ooh, it's so pretty. That emerald green is just like an amazing green. I'm not a big green person, but this green is amazing. I got some cool cells. Look at those. Those are so pretty. Some rose madder cells, some ultramarine blue cells, some emerald green cells. But I hope everybody enjoyed my video, and you will like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please go check out Dovita's 3 do's and 3 don'ts. I put her information in the description below, so it'll take you right to her channel. She's an amazing artist. If you don't follow her, please do, because you're missing out. She's so fun. Her pearl cells are amazing. And everybody give her a little shout out because she just had a new grandbaby this last weekend. She's the cutest little girl. But yeah, please go check out her channel. She's absolutely amazing, fun artist to watch, and she's a great teacher of her techniques. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If I didn't say that already, I forget. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe. Hopefully everybody who celebrates the 4th of July can have a good time with your family on Sunday. It's going to be amazing to finally be able to get together without any COVID restrictions and feel safe again. But I hope you all have a safe and happy 4th of July if you celebrate it. If you do not celebrate, that's okay. But I thank you guys for watching. Keep being creative, everybody, and go check out Dovita. Her information is in the description below. She's amazing. Keep being creative. Bye.